Today we are unboxing the latest treasure box, and it is the Mermaid box, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is an exciting video for me because it is my first real unboxing video on my channel, and it is for my second box, my second treasure box, and it is the Mermaid box. So let's get to it. I'm excited. I really like everything that I've put in this box, and I hope that you will too. So let's turn around so you can see. I'll open it for you like this. There's a sticker on there to keep it closed, and it says, "Let us spoil you." And this is what it looks like inside. It's closed up with a little sticker that says, "You deserve this." And then when you open it up, you see everything that's inside. It's full to bursting. There are so many things in this box. There are 6 items in this box. So let's get started. This one we are going to save for the very end because it is my favorite. We'll set that there, little mystery box. Put the little pink shred over there. So first we have this little purple bag, and it is the craft kit. I'll open that at the end as well because the craft kit instructions are on the bottom. So we'll leave that there as well. Should we start with a treat? Let's start with a treat. So depending on where you live, because I have someone who packs the boxes in the States, and they will be getting this package, but if you live in Europe or other places in the world, you'll be getting it from me, and yours will be a little bit different, but basically it's the same thing. So this shiny iridescent mermaidy scale-like bag holds one of my favorite treats, and it is sea salt chocolate. There's just something about the mix of sweet chocolate with just that little hint of salt and I don't know, crunchy sea salt. I love it. I love it. I hope you love it too, because it's really yummy. All right, let's move that out of the way. Should we do, no, let's do the tea next. So this tea is a magical mermaid tea, and it is so much fun. Steep it in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how dark you want it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a lemon, and you're going to squeeze the lemon into your cup. So make sure you have a clear mug, or a glass will work just fine, and it'll turn purple. Isn't that fun? Oh, it's so much fun. It's so much fun. One thing, if you want to take a picture for Instagram or just to keep, I would suggest having someone else squeeze the lemon into the mug, because it happens really fast, and I tried so many times to get a photo when I was doing photos for the box, and I had to wait for my son to come home because it was too fast. I couldn't keep up. Okay, let's go to this one. Now this is, what could it be? Every planner girl's favorite, washi. Ocean blue, different variations on the shade. There's some scales and some waves, and then I don't know what that is. Nice little geometric design. So those, and I want to show you this. Watch how smooth that comes off the roll. It's so nice, really smooth. Let's do like a paper test to see how sticky or not sticky it is. So I'm gonna just put it on the box. It comes right up, so it's removable. It didn't tear any of the box. So the quality of the washi is fantastic. Now let's get into the second stationery item. Now, I actually don't have these on hand just yet. Here are some stock photos from the company so you can see what they look like. So there's 2 sizes of clips in a variety of colors. There's a scale design on the base part, and then the clip bits are in the shape of a mermaid tail, so they're really fun. All right, we're getting close to the bottom now. Let's go in and get this little packet. So in this little packet of papers, you have the craft instructions. Now this is a Bargello, I don't know how to pronounce that, I've only ever seen it written, but we're doing a little coaster, and the finished project will look like this. This is sort of the quick and easy version. If you do have a little bit more time, then you can add a few more stitches and make your coaster look like this. So I'm really excited to see everyone's version of this and how they all turn out, because I think it's a really cute project. So what do you get in your kit? Let's have a look. So inside, there's all kinds of things. Hold on. So you have 4 different colors. So you have your blue trim, and then 3 different shades of the green. Oops. You get a needle, a piece of felt, and a piece of plastic canvas. And also in that little packet, there's a list of the contents, but we're going to leave that for now. And then there's these little cards that you can either cut up or fold and put in your mirror, in your handbag, in your car. And the first one says, "I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of the depth and a great fear of shallow living. And the other one says, you don't need to choose between taking care of yourself and taking care of others. There's time for everyone. All right, this is my favorite. I love this one. This is actually made by yours truly. I hope you love it as much as I do, because I had a lot of fun making these. There's the box with my cute little mermaids on it. Okay. Tissue paper. It is a trinket dish. You can put your favorite jewelry in, or you can use it to put your rings in at night. A nice thing that I like is to use this as a reminder. As you take your rings off at night, for example, use this dish as a reminder to either take 3 deep breaths or to list 3 things that you're grateful for the day, either in your head or on a piece of paper. Use it as a reminder to do something mindful, something to take care of yourself. So this is the content sheet. Let's just move the box out of the way a little bit. It says, Treasure Box Mermaid's Box. So a world under the sea can be a magical place. All it takes is to smell that salt sea air and your shoulders relax away from your ears. If you can't get to the sea, we're bringing it to you with this lovely curated box designed to encourage and inspire you to take time for yourself. So the first item is the oyster shell trinket dish. This opulent trinket dish is fit for a sea queen. Use it to store your rings at night or your favorite special occasion jewelry. These dishes were made in-house and are exclusive to this box, trimmed in gold, each one unique. As you remove your rings each night, list 3 things that you are thankful for. So yeah, I said that again there. Next up is the, I'm going to say Bargello, I don't know. I'm going to say Bargello, I don't know. The Bargello Coaster Mini Craft Kit. Add a bit of whimsy to your tea or coffee break. This relaxing craft can give you some time to unwind and create a beautiful coaster that you can then use for some downtime with your favorite drink. There are alternate versions depending on the time you have. So there's this one that I showed you before. There's also even a faster one. So this is the one this is the standard one, but then there's another one where there's less stitches and stuff. So the website and everything is on the instructions, so all you need is to use your phone on the QR code and you can find those really easily. Mermaid tail binder clips. Make a splash with your planner or notebook with these adorable mermaid tail binder clips. There are 2 sizes and a variety of colors inspired by shimmery mermaid tails. Now we're on to the yummy treats. Steep your blue tea in boiling water. The longer you leave it, the darker it will get. Squeeze a lemon into your tea and watch it turn purple. If you want to get a photo of the change, get someone else to squeeze a lemon for you, because the change happens pretty fast. And then there's the chocolate. Seaside chocolate is my favorite, and it is the favorite of mermaids and other sea creatures as well. The salty surprise in every sweet bite will have you hooked. Pun intended. But don't go fishing for mermaids. Okay, last but definitely not least is the Waves and Scales washi. 3 rolls of washi in varying shades of sea blue. They roll out super smoothly, ready to decorate your planner, notebook, or gifts. So there you have it, the mermaid box, full of fabulous mermaid inspired items. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is. And of course, if you want to subscribe, there's a link in the description below. These are on sale until Tuesday at midnight, the 15th of June. That's as a subscription. Afterwards, if there's any left over, they will be put into past boxes and the price will go up. So right now the price of a subscription is $34.95. If you sign up to my email list, and there's also a link to that below, I will give you a coupon code for $5 off your very first box. So time is running out to get in on the subscription with this box. So pop on over now, subscribe, and your box will be shipped to you at the end of the month. I recently did a video on master to-do lists, and next week I'll be back with some tips on how to use that master to-do list going forward, how to add new things, and keeping it working for you. And the week after that, I'll be back with the July Play With Me. So make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. Don't make noise! Mermaid hair don't care. It is the mermaid box, and there's an airplane.
Later.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. If you made it this far, leave me the mermaid emoji in the comments below. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.